the things I love about this YouTube channel that I do is I actually get to explore my own city. I was not even aware of this place until just 5 minutes ago. So this is just off Kevin Street Lower, and the name of the street is Liberty Lane. So I'm just going to zigzag in and out, just looking at all the graffiti. Now again, in one of my last videos I said that I liked graffiti, the good kind, you know, the artistic, although that could be perceived by other people as they just see this all as graffiti. But no, someone who's into his art, I do appreciate, you know, even the street art. Sure, your man Bansky made a fortune from doing graffiti. So I do really appreciate these. Really liven up the street. I'm not sure if the residents appreciate it now, but I do think that these are quite nice and artistic. And of course, you know, people with this coming in, robots ruining it, I don't appreciate that, you know. But what can you do? You know, if you have a graffiti lane, people are going to come down and, you know, do graffiti tags. So if anyone actually knows of any other graffiti places, Dublin, I do like doing videos of these, and if you want to see them, let me know in the comments below. But I do like these kind of styles. And it's funny, I was actually on my way walking to another park. I've been doing a tour park, and I just seen a bit of graffiti and stopped, walked down the aisle. I was like, right, perfect, should be able to make a video. Now I'm doing a few 5-minute videos because I was told that the 2 long ones are kind of a bit boring, and well, you know, granted they are. So I'm going to try some 5-minute videos and see if people like these 5-minute segments. And this one might go over 5 minutes because I'm going slowly, but you know, if it's 5 minutes or less, roughly around that area, you know, that's where we want to go. Look, all the way up there and all, that's fantastic. Let me see if the camera gets up there. There we go, it's beautiful. Yeah, it's kind of funny, like, you know, been here on, well, I don't live in the city, but like, I'm pretty sure I walked by this road a few times, never noticed it. So it's always cool to find these things out in my own safe. So if you're also unable to find it, look for the Opium Club. It's right here. I don't think they serve opium because that's illegal, as far as I know. So yeah, it just looks so bright and beautiful, you know. Great detail. And I gotta commend them. That, oh, well, see, you don't have the artist doing that because that's someone's private property, it looks like, and you have the taggers doing it, which is disgraceful. So the opium, gonna have a look in there. I might go in there for whatever it is it does. Kind of tipped me off was when I was walking down this road, I seen all this graffiti here as well. So graffiti artistic lane, pretty cool. Right, on to my next video.